Manipur's Damdei Christian College has launched a campaign titled Free and Fair Exams aimed at promoting academic integrity and addressing unfair malpractices during the examination. The campaign, which was launched as part of one-day awareness program, aims to curb unfair means during examination and foster a culture of honesty and responsibility among students. Faculty members, students and staff participated in the program, emphasizing the importance of maintaining ethical standards in academic assessments. As a part of the campaign, students were urged to take a pledge to refrain from using unfair means during exam and not to act as role model for their peers. They demonstrated their commitment by signing a pledge board promoting a message: "Together we can create a future where integrity, fairness and equal opportunity thrive in exams." The board also outlined 4 key principles: uphold honesty in my exam, respect the efforts of my peers and understand that success is meaningful when achieved fairly, adheres to all examination rules and regulations, be accountable for my actions in upholding the integrity of the exam process. The campaign garners widespread support from the parents, educators and local community leaders who view as a crucial steps in ensuring that students in Gangpokpi district excel not only academically but also ethically. The initiative is expected to spark similar movement in other schools, further promoting a culture of fairness and integrity across the region. Speaking at the event, Pautinsai Kitgen highlighted the significance of the program, calling it thoughtful and relevant.